Something has changed. 1 minute ago, everything we thought we knew about the cosmos shifted. NASA and the US government are reportedly withholding the first high-definition images of Three Eyes Atlas, the third interstellar object ever discovered, and for reasons no one will publicly admit. According to leaked internal memos, panic has broken out behind closed doors at NASA as evidence grows that Three Eyes Atlas isn't what we think it is. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected something impossible, a surface so perfect, so flat, that it defies every known law of nature. The impossible surface, Webb's gold-coated mirror, was designed to capture light from the faintest corners of the universe. But even at its sharpest, it cannot resolve individual details on an object as distant as Three Eyes Atlas. At that range, each pixel spans tens of thousands of kilometers. The comet's entire nucleus vanishes into a single blurred point. What Webb actually records isn't an image of the object itself, but how its light spreads through the telescope's optics. A mathematical ghost shaped by the laws of diffraction. Any supposed high-resolution image of Three Eyes Atlas is pure fiction. Instead, astronomers must interpret its light curve, how its brightness rises and falls as it spins. From these subtle flickers, scientists can infer its shape. Yet when Webb's data was processed, the numbers told a story no one expected. The light curve was almost perfectly flat, so flat that it broke the algorithms used to model it. Across kilometers of surface, the elevation changed by less than 3 meters. That's smoother than polished glass. Smoother than a silicon wafer. Too perfect to be natural. A mirror in the dark, further analysis revealed that Three Eyes Atlas reflects light equally across all wavelengths. A property seen only in engineered materials like multi-layered dielectric mirrors or nanostructured alloys. Natural ice, rock, or dust would scatter light unevenly, creating dips and color biases. But Three Eyes Atlas reflects every photon in perfect harmony, as if its surface were designed to do so. The hexagon shadow, then came the occultation data, when the object passed in front of background stars. Instead of casting a ragged, irregular shadow like every comet ever observed, Three Eyes Atlas drew a perfect six-sided silhouette, a flawless hexagon, repeated again and again as it rotated. The odds of this happening naturally, less than 2 in a million, the pulse beneath the surface, and then the heartbeat. Webb's infrared sensors detected a faint but regular surge of heat pulsing every few minutes from within the object. Too weak to be volcanic, too steady to be random. It was as if something inside Three Eyes Atlas was cycling energy, a mechanical rhythm in the silence of deep space. The missing data, that's when the data gaps appeared. In Webb's observation logs, one exposure, timestamped 03/1942 UTC, vanished from the archive. In its place, a checksum mismatch, a manual override flag, and the note, calibration suspended, manual intervention required. No other entry in the mission history shows that flag. The exposure ID was later found in an internal NASA manifest under a classified label, Project Silence. Requests for the missing files return only access denied. Theories and tension. Now theories compete in the void. A light sail. If Three Eyes Atlas is a vast engineered sheet, it should show non-thermal acceleration, drifting under sunlight like a cosmic sail. A scanning platform, a repeating mirror flash, precise and rhythmic, would betray machinery, not nature. A megastructure fragment, if it's a shard of something ancient and vast, Webb's next spectral scan could detect exotic alloys unseen in our solar system. Each hypothesis is testable, and the next observation window opens soon. Scientists and independent analysts are waiting, watching, ready to catch even the smallest flicker of truth. The final record on August 6, 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope recorded its most perplexing data yet, a surface flatter than any natural body, a reflection signature beyond known materials, a geometric shadow that defies probability, and a heartbeat in the dark. NASA's public release confirms a 6-minute gap in the observation chain, with one exposure flagged for manual review under the internal code name Project Silence. No unredacted files have been released. Until they are, the truth about Three Eyes Atlas remains hidden, caught between the laws of physics and the limits of what we are allowed to see.